Hey there, folks. Real quick before we get into Tubeful and why you should turn 180 degrees and run the opposite direction from this product, I just want to say hi. My name's Adam Rayleigh. What I do on my main YouTube channel is review products in the internet marketing and money-making niches. Products like Tubeful and a lot of other ones. I don't just give positive reviews, I give negative ones, as you're about to see. And if you want to, get the latest updates on new products and what to, invest your money in and what to avoid, just go ahead and click the subscribe link above this video. Add me as a friend on YouTube, and you can get the latest updates from me as they come out. To be honest with you, when this product was kind of launched about 3 weeks ago, I kind of looked at it with some, pretty seriously as something that might be able to help me grow my YouTube channel even further. And but there was just something about it that didn't sit right with me. I value my YouTube account, and I didn't want to do anything to mess it up. A and B, it just seemed too simple and do this and make thousands of dollars, get all these subscribers and friends on YouTube. And really nothing works quite that easily in life or in internet marketing or making money online. So I avoided it, and then it just kind of like crept back up into my mind, and I decided that to do a little bit more research about it. And what I found is just nothing good. First of all, Google's terms of service, or YouTube, Google owns YouTube, says that you're not supposed to use any sort of robot or spider or automated software to quote unquote spam other users, and that's basically what Tubeful does. It goes out and finds, based on a keyword for whatever product or category, finds people with channels related to those specific products, and it scrapes all their friends and makes a list, and then goes out and tries to make friends with all those people for your YouTube account. So theoretically, a certain number of those people are gonna add you back as a friend, and then you'll have all these friends and people subscribing to you. But the problem is it violates Google YouTube's terms of service, and it's something that can actually make you lose your YouTube account or get it banned. So that's a huge reason why not to use it, beyond all the promises they make that are, if you happen to not get your account banned, it's probably not going to do nearly of what they say it's going to do on that sales letter. So really, I would just wholeheartedly say to anyone looking at Tubeful to just stay away from it, and save your time and money and your YouTube account from potentially being banned. But I'm assuming you're here looking at Tubeful because you are interested in making money online. You are looking for an easy way to get started, get into the affiliate marketing or making money online or getting more traffic or what have you, to start making more sales or your first sale or whatever. So what I want to do is actually point you in a good direction for 3 products that I just think are head and shoulders above most of the other crap out there, including Tubeful, which I, in case you didn't catch it, do not give a positive recommendation for. I don't think you should get Tubeful at all. But what you're not going to find a link for Tubeful below this video in the description box. What you are going to find is 3 links for 3 products that I do recommend, and the first of that would be ClickBank Pirate, and I'm just going to start with that one because it's a really good system for newbies, anyone just starting out online. The reason why is all the website creation, all the research, all the content writing, all the setting up of autoresponders, and all the tools involved with the trade of making money online. All that's been taken care of for you. What you get is they call these modules. They're encapsulated marketing systems based around a specific product category or niche, and and what you get is all that built for you, the website, the autoresponder, all the follow-up, and what you get is one specific link to promote, which they also show you how to do. When you get traffic to that link, people enter in their name, information into that video lead capture page, and then they're in the system and they're connected with you for life. The system follows up with them indefinitely, automatically, offering different products in that category, not just one, but repeatedly offers professionally done autoresponder letters, and any purchases that person makes for life, you get credit for. So it's just a really simple system to employ for newbies to get started with. You just get this one link and you promote that link, and you'll the more people you put in that system, the more sales you're going to end up making, and they can be recurring for life depending on how many times that person purchases. The next product I would recommend is called Google Sniper 2.0, and that's was created by a guy. It's actually an updated version. The guy has been using this system, kind of discovered it himself, and the updated version is got video tutorials as opposed to just the written instructional PDF format. And what it is based around is building simple one-page websites for a specific product, and the way you build it, the research you do for keywords, and they tell you how to do that. They tell you what to write on the websites once you've selected your product, how to build that one-page website, and then it's going to get a high search engine ranking in places like Google, Yahoo, Bing, when people search for related keywords around whatever product that website is for, and which is of your choice due to the research that you do. And once it's up in there, certain number of people are going to find it because of the search engines, and then a certain number of visitors are going to purchase the product that you're promoting with that one-page website. It's a very simple, straightforward, like I said, video tutorials walk you through every part of the process, the research, the website creation, how to get it ranked high in the search engines, and once that website's up, you can make sales. It's going to make you anywhere from a couple $100s to a couple $1,000s a month, as long as that site is up online. The third product I would recommend is something called, it's brand new actually, and it's a very strong product. It's called Google Affiliate X. And what that is basically, it's going to do four things for you. It's going to locate the most profitable, hottest selling products on ClickBank, Amazon, ClickJunction, which are affiliate marketplaces where you get commissions per sale for any product in those marketplaces. I'm sure you've heard of Amazon. A lot of that's real live physical products. The other two are a lot of downloadable software, ebook type products. The second thing it's going to do for you is they've created a software based on a mathematical formula to find keywords for those products that are going to be easy to get high ranking in search engines. The third thing it's going to do for you is find domain names for the websites that you review, websites you'd be building to promote these products and services from those marketplaces. It's going to find available domain names for related keywords that are in the domain names, like dieting for middle-aged people or whatever. You would get, it's going to show you how to, what websites are available, the most optimal ones to pick for each specific product that you'd be promoting. So it's going to find you the hottest products. It's going to show you what keywords to select to promote, to build your website around, which is similar to Google Sniper 2.0, but it's different because the software is going to control some of the, help you with a lot of these steps. The third one finds the domain names that are suitable and optimized for the website and the product you'd be promoting. And the fourth is, it's the fourth piece, part of the software. It's going to help you actually build that website, build a review site that's going to eventually, again, get a high ranking in search engines, and your customers come to you. There's really no need to purchase advertising with Google Sniper 2.0 or affiliate Google Affiliate X, once you get your website online, it's going to be found by the search engines, and people are going to find you, and then a certain number of people are going to buy. So once again, you're not going to find a link for TubeMogul. Excuse me, that's an actual good video uploading software, but you're not going to find a link for TubeFull under this video. You're going to find a link for those 3 products. I would just highly suggest that you take a look at ClickBank Pirate, Google Sniper 2.0, and Google Affiliate X, and hopefully you'll find something that can help you in your path to become successful in making money online. Once again, just if you like what you see, if you want more reviews like this sent to your inbox as I upload them to YouTube, just go ahead, subscribe to hit the subscribe link above the video. Visit my channel. I probably also put a link for my channel in the description box. And just a real quick note, if you want to build up a channel and get friends and followers, it's something that people subscribe to my channel every day, add me as a friend every day. It's because I provide good content. I don't use a program or go out and friend a bunch of people. I just accept friendships, and the subscriptions come in because I'm out here trying to help people and provide good content, and that's what I'd recommend you do if you want to build up